Short-term rental. Come enjoy the Florida sunshine in this fully furnished gorgeous 2-bedroom, 2-bath villa with a pool and preserved views. Located in the gated, resort-style community of VillageWalk. Available from May 1, 2025, December 31, 2025. This gorgeous villa has an open floor plan, offers a split floor plan with each bedroom located on the separate side of the home. Beautiful updated kitchen and bathrooms. No carpet, tile and laminate throughout. Primary suite offers a king-size bed, ensuite and spacious walk-in closet with views of the preserve. Guest bedroom has a king bed that can be converted to 2 twin beds, also with a walk-in closet. Enjoy watching the sunset and the wildlife on the lanai, with screened-in pool.